Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuliso wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Salindile bafowethu, silinde iSAFA ukuthi ikhiphe i-decision kavele baye noBatman, but guess what, basamile bayatatazela bazi ukuthi benzeni. Icala liyaqhubeka, liqala izolo icala, besi-expect ukuthi izothetha icala bakhiphe i-decision, but guess what, sebaliphostponile again ukuthi bazokhipha i-decision next week. Icala liyaqhubeka namhlanje, already liyathethwa laphana, Friday futhi kuzoqhubeka elinye, but-ke i-decision bazoyikhipha ngeviki elizayo overall. This is sad ukuthi iSAFA ihluleka ukulandela like imithetho yebhola lase-South Africa. I mean, we've seen them failing even ukuprotect ama-players amaningi wase-South Africa. So what do we expect? What can we expect really from iSAFA bafowethu ukuthi benze izinto zenzeke, because even ne-players union babayise lapha ne-high court. So I mean, into engiyibuzile izolo ukuthi do we have a professional league, a professional governing board ozokwazi ukuhandle izinto? Well, i-Cape Town Spurs iclaim ukuthi oyithula ama-player lawa still under contract nabo. I-PSL on the other hand siyakhumbula ukuthi ithi ama-free agent abafowethu because bona ABC Mtsipe League laphana ku-third division. Kaizer Chiefs isheshile-ke yawasayina lama-player lawa, but i-Spurs they are fighting back. But-ke fighting back for what bafowethu? Because indaba yabo naku-PSL ayisekho. Ama-team aku-PSL a-professional, it's Betway Premiership nelona ne-Mtsipe's Championship Foundation leyo. So I mean, illegal war le between ama-players ne-Cape Town Spurs. Cape Town Spurs ifuna around 20 million bull-ish thing, yeah. So I mean, i-first hearing-ke izolo idlulile, besicabanga ukuthi bazokwazi ukuba direct bavele balichithe icala because icala lakhona alikho. Judgment Day-ke bafethu kuzobonakala next week ukuthi iSAFA izothini yona. Elinye ilanga lizoba i-follow up, the Friday kuzokuthethwa elinye icala. I mean, obviously uvele baye bafethu i-play super exciting. Kaizer Chiefs coach uze wakhuluma nangalo ukuthi uvele uzobasiza laphana kakhulu laphana Kaizer Chiefs, but usalindile. Abantu beba-expect ukuthi maybe kule nsuku lezo vele bazokwazi ukudlala amanye ama-game before kuyiwa kwi-international break, but ngathi that's not the case because icala alikakasolvwa laphana kuSAFA. While uBatman-ke inhlanhla yakhe ukuthi ulena echile urepresent ama-under 20, so ukhohliwe kancane ngey'nkinga anazo lana e-South Africa ukuthi i-Cape Town Spurs ilwa impi engekho. So I mean, ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs aloku ayabuza bafowethu ukuthi bazobabona nini labadlali laba bedlala, because these are two exciting young stars and the future of South African football. So if bayablockwa ukuthi bedlale, that's the big problem. But-ke Eastern Point masibheka laphana se-Cape Town Spurs bafowethu, bona ba-argue ukuthi ba-investe okuningi kakhulu ukudevelopa lama-player lawo and akumelanga babaluze nje mahhala. In fact, they know very well ukuthi ababaluzi mahhala bafowethu, bazothola around 1.5 million ukuba developer each player, but they don't want that money. They've rejected it. Imali abayifunayo 10 million for each player, which is bizarre because bafocus kulama player lawo. Why? Because kuzi Kaizer Chiefs amanye ama-player ahamba kalula ajoine amanye ama-team overall. I mean, le yimpi yama-contract nama-rights. I-PSL ishilo ukuthi icala linje and ime lapho, and then iSAFA-ke asazi ukuthi why delay kangaka, because sokuphela inyanga labadlali laba bafethu basalene ne-Kaizer Chiefs, but they haven't really played even a single game, not even a single game. So it's important ukuthi bakwazi as iSAFA ukuba strong, bakwazi ukurepresent ama-player, bakwazi ukurepresent ama-team, babone i-best interest yabantu aba-involved kuzo zonke lezi zinto lezi overall. Spurs isoyiluza i-case, but why iSAFA idelay nge-case eli-straightforward? But i-straightforward indaba lena bafethu ayidingi i-rule. So I mean, it shows ukuthi maybe they're not well equipped ukuthi bakwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke laphana bona as ilokhunjani as iSAFA. If you are in governing board of South African football of any federation, man, you gotta bring it. Kumele umeke sure ngempela ukuthi wenza izinto zenzeke, but-ke since ilokhunjani kunani lamacala lawa asikakaboni ngempela ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani laphana kulokhunjana bafethu kuSAFA versus kusho ukuthi kahle kahle licala nali bafethu i-PSL manje versus Cape Town Spurs. Why? Because i-PSL ithi ama-player free agent. I-PSL i-governing body yama-teams wase-South Africa, because basebenzisa imithetho yase-South Africa, imithetho abayi-implementile, imithetho evume wonke ama-team andi-PSL, but I-Cape Town Spurs bona bathi-ke le mithetho le kusho ukuthi abahambisani nemithetho yaku-P_S_L but badlalele ku-P_S_L kanjani? That's just bizarre ukuthi udlala elikini but uphikisa eminye imithetho yalapho nje e-straightforward, hhayi nokuthi imithetho yakhona i-complicated. So yeah, so bona P_S_L versus Cape Town Spurs versus or maybe protecting ama-player laphana bazosubmit-a noma basubmit-ile everything nama-evidence. Icala lisimple bafethu, i-SAFA bekumele ibonise ukuthi ibe strong, stand still laphana, bazame ngempela ukubonisa ukuthi they are running South African football to the benefit of everyone who is involved, considering iplayer mhlawumbe elifana noVelebaye and then iplayer elifana noBatman, amaplayer ngempela adingekayo laphana Kaizer Chiefs, energy yawo mhlampe bangakwazi ngempela ukushintsha izinto nanokuthi izinto zenzeke. Kungakhohlwa-ke bafethu i-depth laphana esquadini, it's very very important. Yeah, yeah, I mean kumele sibheke bafethu i-human side of izinto like ubuntu bukuphi kuyo yonke le saga le, because you are killing i-career yomfana le same uVeleba, uBatman mncane uBatman kumele a-protect, but guess what, the same people they're supposed to protect him or the same system ekumele im-protect ayim-protect. So i-well-being of ama-player, because at the end of the day kuyakhulunyiswana, kumele bahlale phansi ne-Spurs, nokuhlala phansi kumele basho nje ukuthi you'll be compensated based on this rule, and i-FIFA isethile obviously ibhaka ukuthi ama-player deserve malini kwasha kwagcina, but-ke yeah man, ama-complications or ama-implications maningi kakhulu laphana. Kaze i-Spurs again njengoba sizoluza le case le, there's no way bayiwin.